Hey guys, as you can see, I got a Mandalorian helmet here fresh off the printer. In the previous video I showed you guys how to set these up in Cura so they have a faster print time and they print pretty well. We removed the supports out of the middle. There are no supports there when it prints. Came out in 3 days. We got all the supports on here. So we're going to take these off and then hit it with an orbital sander and see where we get. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we've come through with our orbital sander and gotten the big layer lines down. Pretty smooth along the back and sides. The only places we're going to have any layer lines really noticeably left are under these detail areas underneath the ear. There's some deep layer lines there. As well as on top where the print finished, you're going to have some really thick layer lines. You're just not going to be able to sand those down. So what we're going to do is we're going to come through with some Bondo. We're going to patch those up, let it dry, and then we're going to hit this with the first coat of primer to see where else we need to sand. So let's cue the music and get the montage rolling. Alright, so we got that Bondo on there, sanded it down, did a couple passes, 220 grit, used my 180 grit sanding sponge initially just to get in the little corners up here with the hood and the visor. After I put that first layer of primer on, I definitely noticed a lot of spots I missed sanding. All through here there are little rings going around the helmet still. On the back side we got a little bit. The visor's pretty smooth. I just kind of dusted it with primer, so it is a little rough still, but that'll all come out when we sand. And then the detail parts, of course, we still gotta sand those down some bit. So what I'll do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna sand all the minor parts down, hit it with another layer of Bondo where it needs it, like up here, these really deep divots. But other than that, this one's ready to start prepping for paint. So we're going to do that, and we'll catch you in the next video and show you guys how to paint one of these up.